Grammar exercise for beginners number 3. A or on number 3. In Mary's school bag, there is English book. Vowel, there is an English book. Eraser, vowel, an eraser. Ruler, consonant, a ruler. Folder, consonant, a folder. Umbrella, vowel, an umbrella. Binder, consonant, a binder. Pencil case, consonant, a pencil case. Glue stick, consonant, a glue stick. Sharpener, consonant, a sharpener. Dictionary, consonant, a dictionary. Exercise book, vowel, an exercise book. Pen, consonant, a pen. Orange marker, vowel, an orange marker. And mobile phone, consonant, a mobile phone. In Mary's school bag, there is an English book, an eraser, a ruler, a folder, an umbrella, a binder, a pencil case, a glue stick, a sharpener, a dictionary, an exercise book, a pen, an orange marker, and a mobile phone. In Mark's room, there is bed, a consonant, so there is a bed. Rock, consonant, a rock. Desk, consonant, a desk. Armchair is a vowel, an armchair. Table, consonant, a table. Laptop, consonant, a laptop. Bookshelf, consonant, a bookshelf. Azure sofa, vowel, an azure sofa with orange cushion. Vowel, an orange cushion. TV, consonant, a TV. Plant, consonant, a plant. Waste paper basket, consonant, a waste paper basket. Ventilator, consonant, a ventilator. And apricot wardrobe, vowel, an apricot wardrobe. In Mark's room, there is a bed, a rug, a desk, an armchair, a table, a laptop, a bookshelf, an azure sofa with an orange cushion, a TV, a plant, a waste paper basket, a ventilator, and an apricot wardrobe. In our house, we have a lot of rooms. There is any room, vowel, an any room. Living room, consonant, a living room. Bedroom, consonant, a bedroom. Office, vowel, an office. Bathroom, consonant, a bathroom. Guest room, consonant, a guest room. Kitchen, consonant, a kitchen. Laundry room, consonant, a laundry room. Dining room, consonant, a dining room. Playroom, consonant, a playroom. And toilet, consonant, a toilet. Our house also has attic, vowel, an attic, and basement, consonant, a basement. Next to the house there is garage, consonant, a garage. In our house we have a lot of rooms. There is an any room, a living room, a bedroom, an office, a bathroom, a guest room, a kitchen, a laundry room, a dining room, a playroom, and a toilet. Our house also has an attic and a basement. Next to the house, there is a garage.